Alright, so I need to do the brakes on my wife's Elantra, but the problem is that it has wheel locks, and I happen to misplace the fucking key, so I'm gonna have to use an extractor. Went on to trusty Amazon to look for a key and couldn't find one that fit that style of wheel lock, so I ended up getting this Topme, kind of fucking sus name here, off of Amazon extractor set, and it comes with 4 sockets, 17, 19, 21, and 22, and then this little bar here that you use to knock out the lug that's going to be stuck in the extractor, and then some adapter here. So for this wheel, I'm gonna have to use a 22 millimeter socket, so let's go try to knock them out. That's the wheel lock there, and I couldn't find a key that would fit on Amazon, so I'm gonna put a 22 millimeter socket in there. That looks good there, and I'll have to hit it with a hammer. So get it in as square as you can. So I did not lose the wheel lock. My wife had taken the car to a tire shop and they lost the wheel lock, and then they also over torqued the lug nuts. That's why I'm using a cheater bar to get this shit off. There you have it. Now we go back in here, and then this is where this tool comes in because it's stuck in there, obviously. So get your little extractor bar here, and then get a hammer. So let me try to set this shit up to where you guys can see. All right. So then bar goes in. You get your hammer. And here's the wheel lock. So 10 out of 10 recommend. One thing I do recommend is that before you buy, you get a regular socket and see what fits. So this is a 22 millimeter socket, and it goes over, well, it doesn't go over now because I fucked it all up, but it went over with a little bit of clearance between the socket and the wheel lock. I was a bit worried that I should have gone up to 23 or 24, but it actually was just perfect. And links to this Topme, I should stop saying that, better not fucking clip that shit, but links to this will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Pretty quick and easy video here.